Welcome back, boys. Today, we're gonna be replacing the oil level sensor and try to go after the switch. I wanna get the E92 back in here because I gotta I wanna get the E92 back in here really quick. If the switch isn't messed up or anything like that, I'm not gonna replace it. Get the oil light moving, get this car back on the road. Also, I made a mistake when I was posting my video last time. It was not supposed to be premiered or whatever it is. It's, yeah. Hey, you live and you learn, you live and you learn. So, let's go ahead and drain the oil out of the car and get to work, baby. All right, so before we change the oil, I did find some debris from the fuel filter that we just changed out, but I don't know if it's coming from my pan or the filter itself. We'll just have to see. So let's go ahead and drain the oil. You guys should be able to hear me a little bit better. I was trying to figure out a way to get my Rode mic to work with my phone, but you have to buy one of their cords in order to get that to work. I tried several different cords, but to no avail. But we bought, it's the SC16 cord for you Android users out there. So if you have your Rode Wireless Go, you can hook it up to your cell phone and get this beautiful. Okay, so first we have to get this underbelly pan off. And that's gonna be a 17. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. Once again, we're caving in here. All right, here we go again. It looks like we've gotten a lot of them. Most of them are undone. We just have like 2 stubborn ones. And this is the stuff I like to show you guys. I don't wanna strip this. So I'm gonna come back. See, oh, these are nice. Nice. Oh, look it. Yes, all these are nice. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get these off. I'm really pressed for time. I do not want to stay down here forever. All right, I'll be back. All right, we got it off. So just gonna go ahead and remove all of these, drop the pan. Let's change this oil. All right, there she is. Let's drain this oil and get this out. I'm not gonna change anything up top. I just, like, look at this. You can tell it's messed up. As old as I'm gonna be, like 3. Yeah, let's see in the future. But like, what? 5,000 subscribers. I'll be like 80 something years old. All right, so we'll struggle with this. I'll be back. All right, so for you E46 guys out there, the oil drain plug is a T40. T40. It's kind of rusted, so let me make sure so we're not up here all night. Oh, no, got time for you. All right, let's get this oil out. That was on pretty nice. It was on there pretty nice. Pretty nice. Oh, here we go again. I don't got time for you. Hey, Lordy. All right, come on. Let's
Well, there should not be that much in there because your boy hasn't changed this oil in a minute. Okay, let's move up top and get the filter out. Check this oil too. Okay, so while the oil is draining, let's go for the filter. We're going to be using a 13. Interesting design. Interesting design. This is the first. Hopefully we can get this cap off without having to move anything. Okay, so we can. Yeah, we can. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Around the area. Because I know it's gonna spill. You know us. We don't got time for that. Just move that hose out of the way. I was gonna pull, but it's a push. Now I want to see if I can kind of slide this out past this. Okay, it's a bit rough. It's a bit rough, but it comes out. It's a bit rough, but it comes out. I'm just checking the filter to see if I see anything weird, any flakes. Just to make sure, because I haven't really been on this car at all. And so far, the engine is looking, I don't see anything detrimental, so that's good. That's good. Okay. Nice. 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 All right, so I'm just gonna be replacing the O-rings and a crush washer that comes with it. Let's not lose anything. You guys like my office? It's pretty nice, huh? All I have to do is remove this rag, this dirty rag. But you know how we keep things over here, man. Wear the same dirty gray sweatshirt. Nice. This is trash. This too is trash. Just a little bit. Just need a little bit of oil on it, and a lot. So I dip my finger in some of this. There we go. Place the washer on this. Trash. I'll throw one. Nice. And we'll also replace the O-ring on this one. Trash. Clean this out. And that old oil out. And then we can move on to installing the level sensor, which is pretty crusty, if I might add. So, put this ring back in. And voila. Just get everything back in the car. Okay, so, whoa, oh, I just spilled oil. Okay, so to get the oil level sensor off, we're gonna come at it with 10 mils. That's crusty. Ooh, that's crusty, boys. Okay, here's the new one. And let me swap them out really quick. Okay, we're all cleaned up now. I know there's gonna be some more oil, so pen ready. Let's not lose any screws. Oh yeah, that's on there real good, huh? Oh, yeah, yo. Yep, put that one in there. I want to wipe that down. If the surface is clean, you get a better seal. Like that. Oh, looking goody. Yes, my friend, you are looking good. Okay, I might need 2 hands for this, boys. All right, I'll be back. Wanted you guys to be around for the click. Oh, yes. You know what's pretty interesting? This underbelly, I'm forgetting the name of it, kind of doubles as a strut bar for the suspension. I don't see a strut bar. Yeah, so the pan also doubles as a strut brace. I tell you what else needs to go, these motor mounts. You gotta get rid of the motor mounts. They have got to go. Okay, so, oh boy. All right, so everything is back in order. I'm just gonna go ahead, put everything back together, move this car out, bring in the E92, and if you guys want to help an old geezer like me, get to 500 subscribers at 80. Hit that subscribe button, or I'll see you next week. So this was somebody's project car, huh? You guys sold me a project car. Yes. Because now this car will be known as the project car. How do I know? Because the mid pipes are not the same. The mid pipes have been changed. So let's fill this thing up with oil and get it out of here.
working.